In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add borders in videos in Canva. Adding a simple border can make your video stand out, frame your content, and give your design a polished, cohesive look. I'll walk you through the process clearly, and we'll keep it quick and straightforward. Start by opening your project in Canva and selecting the video you want to style. Make sure you actually click on the video element itself on the canvas. You should see the bounding box and the controls appear around it when it's selected. This tells you that any edits you apply will affect the video, not the background or other elements. With the video selected, look up to the top editing toolbar. That's where the formatting options live. Click the toolbar so its settings are active for your selection. Among the options, find stroke style. Sometimes it may be labeled as stroke or simply present as a border icon, but you're looking for the control that handles the outline around your element. Click Stroke Style to open the border controls. Now choose the border style you want. Depending on what's available in your version, you might see solid, dashed, or other stylistic variations. Pick the one that fits your design. The style determines the overall look of the border, and in most cases, it will apply immediately to your video so you can see it right away on the canvas. If your design uses a specific visual theme, aim for a style that complements your typography and color palette, keeping everything consistent. Once you've set the style, adjust the border thickness. You'll typically see a slider or a numeric input that controls how bold or subtle the border appears. Slide it gradually, and watch the video on the canvas as you adjust. A thinner outline can be elegant and minimal, while a thicker one brings more emphasis and can help your video stand out against busy backgrounds. Keep in mind that thickness can look different on various screen sizes, so choose a setting that remains clear without overpowering your content. As you refine, make sure the border isn't being cropped by the edge of your layout. If you move or resize your video, the border should scale along with it. If something looks off, reselect the video and revisit stroke style to fine-tune the thickness until it feels right. And that's it. You've added a border to your video in Canva, chosen a style that fits your design, and adjusted the thickness for a clean, professional finish. Save your project, keep designing confidently, and enjoy the polished look that a well-chosen border can bring to your videos.